My name's Tia Harawira Tokiunga, o ngā pui hapu o Te Peri Te Iwi. Check it, y'all. Check it, yeah. When it comes to life, don't hold a vendetta. I'm ready for whatever. See, my man did the remake of Who? Prince Tui Teka. Rest in peace to a legend of the motive music. Cause everybody can refuse it, cause nobody cannot make excuses. I got my man from Hastings down the line. Cause everybody knows we're down to spit a rhyme, not to commit it. But everybody can't really do it. If you gotta put it and pursue it, I put my mind to it. Sometimes I stutter, but that just happens cause I'm autistic. Look at me, man, I'm not gifted. Just talk to the darling and tie off today. But look at me, y'all. Watch, my name is Tehei. Hey y'all, I came from a broken society. Back in the day, I wasn't accepted back in primary. Sometimes I stutter, but that just happens every day around the motive. Man, they got the quota, but check it out, y'all, if you can't really smack. I saw young kids today in my neighborhood selling crack at the age of 12. They're not doing well. Some people want to send them to prison instead of hell, nah. But look at these kids, they're misunderstood. I see what it's like for children in my neighborhood. The time of Dickies trying to suffer because their sister and brother and their mother don't really give a damn. Damn, what about the old man? He's never in the picture. So look at me, man, cause I'm not a visual. It's not incredible, man, this life is terrible. If it's going around in alphabetical words, the syllables that goes through your mind and intertwine. Look at me now, what's the difference between you and I? It's me and old, keeping it in the house. But if you can't twist it, man, from the west to the south, north and south, I mean the east, both the 4 different continents. That's what I do with different compliments. The consequences is all about survival, suicidal to all my rivals that try to take my title. I'm not really about that, I'm not really a hater. Cause when it comes to human beings, I'm an appreciator. No matter if you're Modi, European or P.I. What's my name? T-I-H-E-I, yeah.